Всем привет! Hi everybody! You probably know that Russian has 3 tenses, past, present and future. Seems easy, right?
There is a but coming.
There is always a but. Besides the category of tenses, there is also the category of aspect, or vid. What is aspect? Is an inherent meaning of a verb which makes the action either progressive and continuous or single and completed. In English, to describe whether an action is progressive or completed, you use different tenses. I am reading, I have read. But in Russian, you need 2 different verbs for that.
What did I ever do to deserve this?
Don't freak out, they look pretty similar though. Читать, to be reading. Прочитать, to have read. Мыть. Помыть. As you have probably noticed, most of the time the infinitive of perfective verbs is the same as imperfective verbs, but with a prefix. Делать, сделать. Петь, спеть. Смотреть, посмотреть. Слышать, услышать. Гулять, погулять. Sometimes, however, the verbs in a pair are different. Here are some most common irregular pairs. Идти, пойти. Говорить, сказать. Класть, положить. Брать, взять. Становиться, стать. Помогать, помочь. A good dictionary always marks whether a verb is perfective or imperfective, and I always recommend my students to learn the pair together. It saves you a lot of time and effort. So imperfective verbs, those which are used to describe continuous progressive actions, are used in the following contexts.
Repeated or habitual actions. Я работаю каждый день. I work every day. Раньше я работала каждый день. I used to work every day. Все лето я буду работать. I will work the entire summer. A single action in progress or an action with irrelevant, unfinished result. So, in the situation when we do not care whether the action is finished or not. Что ты делаешь? Я смотрю телевизор. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. Вчера вечером я читал новости. Last night I read the news. Завтра я буду читать и отдыхать. Tomorrow I will read and rest. Now, perfective verbs are used for a single completed action in the past. Я прочитала эту книгу. I have read this book. Or I have finished this book, which means that I had it finished from cover to cover. Or for intention to complete an action in the future. Я прочитаю эту книгу к выходным. I will have this book read by the weekend.
Let's take the pair делать, сделать, to be doing, to have done, and conjugate it in 3 tenses.
In the past, it's gonna be masculine делал, feminine делала, neutral делала, plural делали. In the present, я делаю, ты делаешь, он, она, оно делает, мы делаем, вы делаете, они делают. Future. Я буду делать, ты будешь делать, он, она, оно будет делать, мы будем делать, вы будете делать, они будут делать. Now, perfective. Сделать, to have something done. In the past. Сделал, сделала, сделало, сделали. Since perfective verbs show the completion of an action, which can only happen either in the past or in the future, perfective verbs are not used in the present tense, only in the past or the future. Я сделаю, ты сделаешь, он, она, оно сделает, мы сделаем, вы сделаете, они сделают. Take note that the endings of future forms of perfective verbs are the same as the endings of present tense of imperfective verbs. Since perfective verbs can only be used in the past or present, there was no need to make up new endings.
Now it's your time to choose the right aspect of a verb according to the context. So how was it? Comment below how many correct answers you've got. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you know what the button is. And see you next time. Пока!